Okay, time to install the new Microswitch. Here, what I've done, let's see, I'll do it again. I'll push it back in. This little bumper usually sits like that. To reinstall, I kind of push the rubber almost out of the hole there because I need room for my fingers. And then this is where the external shot button connects. And so what I'm going to do, that's where you know the switch has to be installed to work at. So it goes like this. A little rocker on the way down on the same side as that. Easiest way for me is to go ahead and put in a screw, stick it through the hole, and come back here and get the nut positioned in the right spot. There's many ways to do this. It's not easy. And of course, sometimes it gets a little weird, but everything's going good. Alright, that's one. It's almost tight. I did not completely tighten it. And I do suggest the screw heads on the outside, the nut on the inside. There's a reason. I'm not saying it won't work the other way, but I think it gets caught on stuff. Alright. Okay, most of this video isn't really necessary, but there's one thing I like to point out. There's a little wiggle before you're tight. I like to make sure the switch is towards what will be the front of the machine. So without messing up any wires, you've got a hard job. You've got to, well, you know what?